So let me start the timer. Before I start, take a look at this for a second. This is exactly why I keep experimenting with different crypto tools.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle and welcome to my 5 minutes free crypto challenge. 5 minutes on the clock, and today I'm running another crypto challenge. But this one might be actually the most interesting one so far. So let me start the timer. Before I start, take a look at this for a second. This is exactly why I keep experimenting with different crypto tools. Turns out in 2026 there are way more opportunities in crypto than most people realize, and my goal lately has been pretty simple. Find them and test them. So today I'm putting another one to the test. Remember, this video is strictly educational entertainment purpose only, and I'm not encouraging anyone to copy what I'm doing. Alright, today I'm using this predictor right here. I actually discovered it while digging through open community sources. A couple people mentioned it, and then I saw a few discussion about it, and that immediately made me curious. There is normally one extra step here, but I've already handled it earlier, so I don't want to waste time on it right now because 5 minutes sounds like a lot until the timer actually starts moving. Alright guys, here I'm also going forward. And okay, the loading started. While it loads, one thing I will say, the setup here is actually very simple. Even if someone has never done this before, it's pretty easy to figure it out, guys. I'm not spending too much time on it today because the timer is already running and I still have a time that's nice. Alright, and there it is, guys. That's exactly what I need. Now the idea is very simple, guys. All I need just to repeat the place exactly as it appears. Nothing complicated here. And I'm gonna do the small preparation here before. So, okay, let me just scroll it down. Few seconds to check the spot. Okay, here. Nah, I just need to double check it very quickly. I need to be sure everything is nice. So here and there. And there it is. I still have about 3 minutes time on the clock, and what I'm seeing here is actually pretty crazy, guys, because that's reacted way faster than I expected every time. But the challenge isn't finished yet, guys, so the final step is sending everything back, because that's the whole point of the test. While I've set this part up, I just want to say something quickly. The feedback you guys let me under the previous video was honestly awesome. A lot of you sent messages, suggested different tools, and asked me to keep running these challenges. So yeah, this video actually exists only because of you guys, and I really appreciate it. Right, back to the app. All I just need is just to paste that info right here. Okay, and confirm. Let's see. Okay, wait a second. Looks like I made a small mistake here. Yeah, I think I typed something wrong. So give me just a second. All right. Confirm. Perfect, guys. Okay, notification receipt. Everything is processing. Look at the timer. I still have more than 2 minutes left, which is basically kind of crazy, guys, because normally this part takes longer. By the way, a lot of you guys asked me to show you the name of the tool again, so here this on the screen. You can pause the video if you want to check it out, and just make sure you spell it correctly. Alright, let's check the main one real quick. I still have a few minutes left on the timer, so that's actually a good chance why I might finish this challenge earlier, guys. Alright, so let's see. Okay, hold on, it's already updated. Hold on, that was insanely fast, guys. Seriously, look at the timer. Everything is already done. Wow. That's exactly why I enjoy testing tools like this. Wow, guys. And when the things move this fast, you realize the time for crazy opportunities, guys, it's already here. So if you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to drop your like, sub on my YouTube channel, and if you have any other tools you want me to test next, send them right in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in another one.